Hi, this is Raj. I'm going to show you a short demo of the website that I have created for you. It's basically a prototype, and I will be explaining to you exactly what are the components in it to make you aware of the various facilities which have been inbuilt into this website. Okay, now starting with this top. This is basically the uh, primary menu or the top menu. And then you have another menu here which is the category menu. This is the secondary menu. Then you have a footer menu. This is the footer menu. And fourthly, you have another category menu here at this place. So basically you have 4 menu areas in this site. Okay, on the home page, to be on the safe side. Now the home basically brings you to the home page, this page. About is the about us page, about you page rather. You will be writing about your profile and your other things, whatever you need to. Services, basically the ENT specialization that you practice, that will come here. There will be individual pages for that, and you will be writing a short note about the services that you render under each of these heads. Okay, whatever you see here right now, and also here, they are basically examples. I've just given them as a placeholder. Then comes the testimonial. You will be seeing the testimonials of the patients and their relatives here. Whoever wants to give the testimonials will be giving it here, or rather this will be the display of the testimonials. There is another place where they will be inputting it, which I will come to this later. Cases are those where you want to present the medical cases that you have handled and you want to showcase them on the site. The cases shows those. Then the contact is the contact us page, where you will be giving your address and other details. We'll come to that later. Blog is the blog articles page, where you keep writing articles relevant to your site on a regular basis. It will be published, and then once you click here, you will see the various blog articles there. Okay, let me first explain the home page, all the components in the home page, and then we will go to individual pages, and then I will explain them later. Okay, now coming to this menu, the secondary menu. Under each of this, the blog articles are listed. Okay, when you click them, all the blog articles that you have written under this particular category will be listed, similarly each of them. So as you keep on writing them, once a person clicks this particular category, the blog article under that category gets listed. Here, when you just hover on top, these are the latest articles which are getting listed here under the menu. This is the a temporary logo design that I have created and put it in. This is this is just a placeholder basically. You need to create a logo and put it there, or give it to me to put it there. If you think this is fine, then you can let it be. Okay, now coming to the next, here you have the featured articles. That means certain articles which you feel should be highlighted to the public, to the viewers. You can designate them as featured articles, and those will get listed here. Those will get shown here as a slider. This is basically again the services, basically the services what is getting listed here and also here. Okay, this again will get changed once you tell me what are the specific services that you would like mentioned in the site. Okay. Then comes the next section. These are the category wise blog articles. The latest 3 articles get listed here, and then once you click each of them, you will go into the article detailed page of that article. Then you have the testimonials as a slider. Whatever testimonials have been added by the patients or their relatives, that will come here, that will get listed and that will get shown here as a slider. More categories, article categories. Okay. Then this is the showcasing of the case, medical cases that you have added. This again is going to be a slider, and once you click the read more, it will go into the detailed page for this particular case, and you can see read through the case. Similarly, here again, once you click the read more for the testimonial, the detailed page for that particular testimonial will get listed. And similarly here, read more testimonials, it is a summary of all the testimonials which are there. Okay, we will go to each of these pages individually after I explain this home page. Okay, this is again going to be the article categories. What you see here, that again gets listed here, and when you click each, it will go to the articles under that category. This is the footer area. This entire thing is a footer area. Here again the testimonials in a different format is coming here. This again is a slider. Here the latest 5 articles get listed. It's not category wise but all categories. But what are the latest articles? That gets listed here. And here we have the contact details. You can actually amend them if you need, and give me the correct address and I can incorporate it here. Then corresponding to the address, you have the map. And if you want people to see the full page map, then here one has to click to expand this map to a full page map. Click it and then it goes up as a full page map, and then press escape button to come out of this full page map and go back to the site. Then coming down below further, this is the copyright notice for the site, and then underneath again there is a footer menu. This is the home page where we are right now. This add testimonial is where people will add their testimonials to the site. These 4 are the legal pages: privacy policy, terms of use, medical disclaimer, and testimonials disclaimer. These 4 are the legal pages for the site. I would suggest that you consult with your lawyer or legal counsel, and if any changes are required in this from a medical perspective, you could do those changes. What I have written is may not be exactly final. You need to, I would suggest you to, it would be better if you can consult with your lawyer and fine tune these 4 pages. Okay, then comes the last section, which is the place where people can directly contact you, chat with you. Just click this button and the chat button opens, chat box opens, and when you are online, then it shows that you are online and people can chat. When you are offline, they can leave a small message and you can get back to them. Okay, this is as far as the home page is concerned. Now let us go to individual pages and then I'll show you. Again, coming back to the top menu, we have the About page. Let us click that About button. If you see here, it has gone to the About page. The URL or the browser window shows you exactly which page it is. And here, when you scroll down, this will show you the details about your profile about you and Dr. Malik, you both. You need to incorporate the images, and then these details you have to give me too, so that I can incorporate them here. So whatever you need people to see here, you please give it to me and I can incorporate them. Then this basically shows you the latest 3 articles that you have published, and this is a place where you can click here and it will take the viewers to the contact us page, where they can contact you either through phone or through a contact us form or whatever. Okay. Coming to the next, services. When somebody clicks the services button, it will go to a page where it lists all the services that you would give me right now. This is an example, and people can click each individual link to go to those individual pages where the details about that particular service will be given. Or they can also click from here and go to the individual service page. Here, of course, right now it is blank. You have to give me the content, images and videos, whatever, and I will incorporate them here. Coming to the next one, testimonials. Click that, and people can see the testimonials which have already been submitted by people, by your patients. All the testimonials will be coming here, and once you click the read more button of any of the testimonial, it will go to the detailed page of that testimonial. Here it basically shows you a title, a small summary of the description, the name of the person who has given the testimonial, and a small photograph. Okay, once you click the read more, it will go to the individual page where it will be a detailed testimonial with a video if it is given. Whether it is a choice of the people who are giving the testimonial, whether they would like to give the video, whether they would like to give the image, etc. All these will be their choice option. Okay. Then comes cases. Format is the same, but these are basically given and incorporated by you. Medical cases. Again, read more and you will go into the detailed page of that particular case. Okay. Then comes contact page. This is a contact us page for the site, and you just go down and this gives you the place where you can give a message, short message. The people who see this site, the visitors, can communicate with you through this short message area, or they can also communicate through the mail ID and mobile numbers that have been given here. Of course, these need to be corrected by you, and once you give it to me, I will correct these email address, mobile numbers, and if need be, this address also. And also here I have written something as a short introduction. If you would like some changes to be made in this, you can tell me. And then once you go down further, this is again a map which will tell the people where the location of your clinic is. Okay, now again going up, contact us, and then we have blog. Blog, once you click on that, it is going to show you a summary page of all the blog articles which you have so far written, and once you click on the either this image or on the title or here read more, either of these three places you can click and you will go into the detailed page for this particular blog article. Okay, it has a picture, it has content. If you would want, you can put videos or whatever, and it shows about the author who has written this article, and it also will show you the related articles in this particular category. These articles are all category based. You have to specify the category under which this article will be appearing, and the related articles for that category is also shown. Okay, here if you see here, this is the category under which this particular blog article has been filed. Okay. Similarly, when you go to either any of these categories, when you click the category button, it will also take you to a summary page. Okay, for example, facial plastic summary. It will take you to this particular summary page where all the articles pertaining to facial plastic summary will be shown. Again, similarly, if you click either the image or the title or the read more, it will take you to the detailed page of that article. Now coming further down, okay, let me go to the home page only and then I can show it to you. Okay, testimonial. As I mentioned earlier, you can click the read more and you go into the details of the testimonial. This read more testimonial will again take you to the summary testimonial page which you saw earlier, this page only. And then these are all, of course, category wise articles. As I told you earlier, once you click this title, you will go to the individual article page. Similarly, these cases, you press read more and it will take you to the individual case, or if you press the read more cases, it will take you the summary of all the cases that have already been entered or filed in the site. This is recent articles, latest articles. Again, same way, you just click the article or the picture, it will take you to the article, detailed article. Okay. And here, in this case of contact details, one thing I would like to mention here is the okay, I think I already mentioned this. You can actually press this button to expand the map to full screen and press escape to come out of the full screen mode. Like if you want to press this, it goes to the full screen, and simply press escape button to come out of the full screen mode. Okay, now coming to the last place, add testimonials. This is the place where patients or others will be entering, adding their testimonials about their treatment. Okay, click the add a testimonial button. You will get into the page where details can be entered. Patient name, phone, mobile, city, country. This is the title for the testimonial. Detailed text, people can enter whatever they want to write here, in depth, detail. And then this is the place where people will upload a photograph or an image, and then this is a YouTube video link which can be added so that a YouTube video can be shown. And then after doing all these things, they will press the add testimonial button and it will get added to your website. But one thing I would like to mention here is that the testimonial will still be in a pending state. You need to approve it before it gets shown on the site. So unless it is approved, it will not be shown. Okay, then when we go down further, there is one more thing here. For the cases, there is going to be a add case button here. Now since the cases will be added by you, and since the visitors will have nothing to do with adding cases, so it will be shown only when you are logged into the this particular WordPress site of yours. I will tell you how to log in there later on, but right now you need to understand that add cases will not be shown to the visitors because it is irrelevant for them. They can see the cases per se, what are all the cases that you would like them to see from this particular option, cases. But adding cases is done by you, so that need not be shown to the users. How will it come? I will show it to you. You basically go to the back end of this particular website, vkrcare.com, and ultimately BestENTClinics.com. I will right now just log in, but later I will tell you how to log in to you people. Right now you just assume that you are logged in at the back end like this, and then once you go to the site, and let me refresh the site again. Okay, so now that the site is refreshed while you are logged in, if you see here, the add cases has come. Okay, so it is basically meant for you, where you can add medical cases that you have handled, and the interface is the same. I am going to click this add cases and show you what input needs to be done. It is actually almost it is identical to the testimonial page, and you just have to give the patient name, phone number, city, testimonial title, detailed text, photograph, video, and then add case, and this button has to be clicked to add it to your site. But again, this will be in a pending state. You need to go and approve it. Once you have approved it, it will appear under this case button. It will be listed here. Okay. Then comes, you have, as I told you, these legal pages, privacy policy. Okay. This needs to be vetted, terms of use. Okay. Then medical disclaimer. One moment, let me just log out of this. Okay, and let me refresh this one, because there are some buttons which are getting shown which are not relevant. Okay, now let us proceed. Medical disclaimer, and the last one is the testimonials disclosure. All these are required for your sites as a legal requirement, but please vet them with your legal consent. This completes this demo. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, please feel free to get in touch with me through email or phone, and we can discuss further. Thank you.